Welcome to my real estate syndication course. In this course, I'll show you how I bought a 300-unit apartment complex with just $50,000. And not only that, I will also teach you how I turned that $50,000 into $100,000 in just 5 years. Yes, you did the math correctly. I averaged a 20% internal rate of return each year in my first real estate syndication deal. So what will you learn in this course? This course acts as a step-by-step guide for investing in real estate via syndication. We will take you from A to Z with every technique and strategy we have used when buying investment properties. In this course, we will cover what is real estate syndication, how to identify a market, marketing and raising money for your syndication, how to build your team, finding or creating a deal to invest in, investment property due diligence. Now, these topics are just scratching the surface of all the things taught in this course, so make sure to scroll through the lectures to see all the great topics we delve into. This course is designed for anyone considering real estate as an investment, or if they're looking to diversify their current real estate portfolio with large multifamily properties via real estate syndication. So what I learned from me, I began my path into entrepreneurship as an engineering major. Once I began to learn coding in my college courses, I started to build niche keyword websites and then use growth hack marketing techniques to build them up and flip them for a profit. This is actually how I paid for my college degree. Now, over a decade later, I've built websites, consulted clients, and helped market 500 plus businesses, all the while on the side purchasing thousands of apartment units with the power of real estate syndication. So after finishing in the top 8 for Entrepreneur Magazine, 2014 Entrepreneur of the Year, I launched CourseEnvy.com with several engineering and marketing partners to begin sharing our knowledge with the world. We are constantly updating this course and answer student questions within 48 hours. So don't wait another minute. Join our course today and learn how to profit from real estate syndication. My goal with this course is to open people's eyes to this amazing niche in real estate investing. That is why our company RESYND.co is dedicated to ongoing education in the space of real estate syndication. We hope to influence every investor to think big and take advantage of the power of pooling funds to invest in bigger, more stable properties via real estate syndication. I look forward to seeing you in the course.